Comptia Pentest Plus 00. How to use the Comptia Learning Center. The Comptia Learning Center is an intuitive online platform that provides access to the ebook and all accompanying resources to support the official Comptia curriculum. An access key to the Comptia Learning Center is delivered upon purchase of the ebook. Resources include Online Reader. An interactive online reader provides the ability to search, highlight, take notes, and bookmark passages in the ebook. Students can also access the ebook through the Comptia Learning Center e-reader mobile app. Videos. Videos complement the reading by providing short, engaging demonstrations of key activities in the course. Assessments. Practice questions help to verify a student's understanding of the material for each lesson. Answers and feedback can be reviewed after each question or at the end of the assessment. A timed final assessment provides a practice test-like experience to help students determine their readiness for the Comptia certification exam. Students can review correct answers and full feedback after attempting the final assessment. Strengths and Weaknesses Dashboard. The Strengths and Weaknesses Dashboard provides you with a snapshot of your performance. Data flows into the dashboard from your practice questions, final assessment scores, and your indicated confidence levels throughout the course. All about Comptia at comptia365.com.